The idea of a small phone with true flagship power has been fading in recent years. Most high-performance smartphones have become larger, heavier, and harder to use with one hand. Now, new leaks suggest that OnePlus may be ready to change that story with the upcoming OnePlus 50. According to reliable sources, this device could be a compact powerhouse with a battery size that sounds almost unbelievable for its size. Reports indicate that OnePlus is actively working on the OnePlus 16T, a successor to the OnePlus 13T, also known as the OnePlus 13S in some markets like India. While the OnePlus 30T launched earlier, fresh information now confirms that the OnePlus 50T is already in development. Even more interesting is the fact that accessories for this phone have reportedly entered trial production, which usually means the launch is not very far away. The OnePlus 50T is expected to stay true to the small flagship idea. The phone is said to feature a 6.31-inch display, which places it firmly in the compact category by today's standards. Many users feel that phones in this size range strike the perfect balance between comfort and usability. A 6.3-inch screen is large enough for watching videos, gaming, and browsing, yet small enough to be used comfortably with one hand. The display itself is expected to be impressive. Leaks suggest that the OnePlus 50T may offer a 165 Hz refresh rate, the same high refresh rate found on the standard OnePlus 15. This would make scrolling animations and gaming feel extremely smooth. On top of that, the screen is expected to be completely flat, with narrow and symmetrical bezels on all sides. Flat displays have recently become popular again, as they reduce accidental touches and make screen protectors easier to apply. One of the most surprising and exciting rumors about the OnePlus 50T is its battery. The phone is tipped to pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery. If this information turns out to be true, it would be a huge achievement for a device with a 6.31-inch display. Traditionally, compact phones come with smaller batteries, often forcing users to compromise on battery life. A 7,000 mAh battery could completely remove that compromise and set a new standard for small phones. Such a large battery would likely deliver outstanding endurance, even with a high refresh rate display and a powerful chipset. This could make the OnePlus 15T ideal for users who want long battery life without carrying a large and bulky phone. It also suggests that OnePlus may have made significant improvements in internal design and battery technology to fit such a large cell into a compact body. In terms of build quality, the OnePlus 50T is expected to feature a metal frame, giving it a premium and solid feel in hand. This aligns with OnePlus's recent focus on more refined and durable designs. The phone is also rumored to include a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Compared to traditional optical fingerprint scanners, ultrasonic sensors are generally faster, more secure, and work better with wet fingers. Performance is another area where the OnePlus 50T is expected to shine. According to Digital Chat Station, a well-known and reliable leaker, the OnePlus 50T may be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This is expected to be Qualcomm's top-tier processor, placing the OnePlus 50T firmly in flagship territory. With this chip, users can expect excellent performance for gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps. This combination of a compact size and a flagship chipset is becoming increasingly rare. Many brands reserve their best processors for larger and more expensive models. If OnePlus delivers this level of performance in a smaller device, the OnePlus 50T could stand out in a crowded market. The competition in the 6.3-inch category is growing, but each rival comes with its own limitations. Samsung's base Galaxy S26 is also expected to feature a 6.3-inch display and Qualcomm's best chipset. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to stick to a similar screen size while offering top-tier performance. Google's Pixel 10 Pro may also match this size, although its performance is not expected to be on the same level as Qualcomm-powered rivals. Where the OnePlus 50T could truly make a difference is pricing. The standard OnePlus 15 already starts at around $80.99, which places it firmly in premium territory. The OnePlus 50T, being a T model, is expected to be more affordable. If OnePlus manages to undercut competitors while offering flagship specs, it could attract a lot of attention from users who want high-end features without paying the highest prices. However, there is still one big question mark. It is not yet clear whether OnePlus plans to launch the OnePlus 50T outside of China. Many exciting OnePlus models in the past have been limited to specific regions. A global release would greatly increase the phone's impact and give more users a chance to experience this compact flagship. If OnePlus does decide to release the OnePlus 15T internationally, the phone could become a major success. Not everyone wants a small phone, but almost everyone appreciates good value for money. A compact device with a powerful processor, a smooth high refresh rate display, premium build quality, and an enormous battery could be very hard to ignore. The OnePlus 50T represents something many smartphone users have been asking for, a small phone that does not feel like a downgrade. If the leaks are accurate, this device could prove that compact phones can still lead in performance, battery life, and overall experience. As more details emerge, the OnePlus 50T is shaping up to be one of the most interesting smartphones to watch in the coming months.